It is the last minute. It is the last minute. Do you know the penalty of not filing your return as an individual or as a company? Let's discuss the common issue people face when approaching the tax deadline. Number one is you forget this form called the P9 form. So you don't ask your employer this form every year because it is a mandatory for you to be issued with that form by the law. That's one. Number two is that you forget your email address, which is attached to your KRA PIN. So when we reset your password, you cannot access the new email, new password in your email because you don't know the email which you register this KRA PIN, or you know the email but you can't access currently. So that is the one issue which most people face. The third issue is you forget your personal details like NHIF. You don't know your NHIF number, you don't know your SHA number. We need this SHA number to declare your insurance relief in your L section of your ITR form. Remember, the NHIF was active from the month of January to September last year. So we need to calculate that insurance relief so that we declare to reduce your tax liability. So those are the three major issues most people face. And now, what are the results of not filing this return as an individual or as a company? For individual, you get a penalty of 2,000 Kenya shillings. For the company, you get the penalty of 20,000 Kenya shillings. Not only this penalty which you will incur or which will accrue as a tax liability, also if it happens that you have the tax payable, they will charge you 5% of that tax due. And again, they will charge 1% interest on top of that. So you can see the first consequences is so heavy in terms of what? Financial side. Now, when it comes to the compliance side, maybe you want to apply for tender, you will be asked to attach the TTC, tax compliance certificate. So you will not get tax compliance certificate because you have not filed the return, or you file the return after the due date and you get some penalties and you have not cleared these penalties. So which means in terms of compliance, it will be very difficult for you to be on the compliance side. So which means don't try to not file your return because of your small ignorance. And also the main challenge is the filing on the last day, like today. The system, the KRA system is not working at all. You try to do this, it say there is error. You try to do this, there is error. The site is not reachable. If you try to call their number, this number is not in service. So make sure that you are not among the one filing the return on today. Me, I cannot file for you today. Even if you pay me how much to file for you today, I cannot because I don't want the stress for that KRA website. That is it for today.